Alright, so I'm planning on installing this today. So this will go over my radiator to keep rocks and stuff from hitting it, which what's not ideal. I really wish I could find a skid plate for this so then you can't hit like the oil filter and stuff. I don't really understand why they didn't put something in front of this to keep rocks from hitting this oil filter, because if it hits the oil filter and leaks oil everywhere, it's going to wreck you, because you're going to have oil all over your rear tire, and then also your motor's going to lock up. So, which I guess on the street, in theory, then you will not get rocks and whatnot everywhere, but I do a bit of gravel road riding with this bike, which I would not recommend, to be completely honest, but that is what I do. So anyway, so there's just 2 bolts on this side and then 2 bolts on this side. It's a 5mm Allen wrench, so it looks like they put some thread locker on it, so it might be mildly hard to break loose, but once you break them loose, then they should come right out. So you'll kind of just move it out of the way, and then put this up here like this. I may put some thread locker on it too. They did it. Alright, so you'll put the thread locker on here. Maybe kind of a pain to get it all lined up, but once you line it up, it's super quick job. A little bit of thread locker. Okay, just get them kind of tight, just enough to where it's kind of on there. Yeah, there's only 4 bolts that hold this on, so super easy, quick install. All right, and that is the install. Super easy peasy. So just those 2 bolts on this side, and then there's 2 more on the other side. It just holds this plastic piece for your turn signal, so it's not too hefty, literally just a plastic piece. So this should prevent your radiator from getting hit by rocks. It's not actually touching the radiator, so that's nice because you're not going to have any metal on metal like rubbing and end up messing up the radiator. So it's not that thick of metal, but way better than the non-existent stuff that was there before. So yeah, this side's the same way. This 5mm Allen wrench, or Allen wrench bolts, and then it's this metal. So if anyone knows where I can get a skid plate, that'd be great. I saw some on eBay, but I didn't know if they were garbage or not. But this was like 45 bucks off of Amazon. So had decent reviews, but anyway, that is the super easy install.